Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the last video in our initial series, and I want to tell you where MuseSpring is headed and how you can be part of it. In our prior videos, I've tried to give you an honest, complete picture of what it takes to become a tax preparer and build a practice. I've covered the credentials, the training, the legal framework, the business setup, marketing, pricing, AI tools, client management, and the long-term career path. If you've watched even a fraction of these videos, you know more about what you're getting into than most people do when they start. So here's what's coming. The MuseSpring Tax Business Blueprint program is our flagship program. It's a comprehensive training that takes you from zero to ready for your first tax season. You get core tax preparation training taught by a licensed tax attorney and other industry professionals, a legal framework module, a business formation module where we help you set up an LLC, an AI tools module, a client acquisition model, and your first 6 months membership included. After the initial program, the MuseSpring Scale membership program keeps you dialed in. Weekly coaching calls are also available where you can ask questions, get help with tricky client situations, and learn from what other members are experiencing. Full access to the course library, which grows every month with new content included as well. You also get templates for engagement letters, client organizers, marketing materials, and more. And you also get a community of people who are working to build the same thing you are. As you grow, advanced modules are going to become available. Tax planning strategies, small business returns, state-specific preparation, and tax debt resolution. The pricing is designed to be accessible. The full program costs a fraction of a tax franchise and delivers more training, more support, and more ongoing value. And unlike a franchise, you own everything you build. That's the most important part here. If you've been watching these videos and thinking, hey, this might be right for me, here's what I suggest. Go to MuseSpring.com. Look at the program details. If it resonates, apply. If you have questions, reach out. I read every message. I started MuseSpring because I believe there's a better way to enter this profession than paying $75,000 for a franchise or taking a $149 course that trains you to be someone else's employee. I believe a tax attorney should be the one teaching you the rules you're operating under. And I believe the people who are willing to invest in real training and do the work can build practices that change their financial lives. Thank you so much for tuning in. Whether you join MuseSpring or not, I hope these videos give you the information you need to make a decision that's right for you and your loved ones. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational. I'm a licensed tax attorney, but this content is provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. So if you have a specific legal or tax question, make sure you talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks everyone. I'll see you in the next one.